Hey guys, welcome to Let's Try It. Today we're going to be doing the water fireworks experiment. So we have our oil and we're going to put some food coloring in. And then we are going to gently mix it with a fork. Okay. Now we're going to pour our oil into our water. And see what happens. As you can see, the food coloring is dripping into the water and it looks like fireworks. It's because the food coloring dissolves in water, but it doesn't dissolve in oil. So when you pour your food coloring oil mixture into the water, the oil will float at the top of the water because it is less dense, and the food coloring will dissolve once they sink through the oil into the water, looking like fireworks.